Today's recipe is a black bean, kidney bean, mushroom, sweet smoked paprika, shepherdless, sweet potato pie, all the good ingredients, really hearty, so warming. Okay, so first things first, we need to sort our sweet potatoes out. So we're gonna peel them and then chop them into little pieces. The smaller they are, the quicker they're gonna cook. And then you're either gonna steam them or boil them for about half an hour or so until they're really soft and you want them to be soft enough to mash with a fork. So while this is cooking and getting ready, we're gonna make the kind of meaty bit, for want of a better description, of the pie. For that, we're gonna start with red onion, which adds a nice sweetness, garlic, and then we're gonna fry that up with olive oil and salt in a pan. So just sweat it for kind of 5 minutes or so, and while you're doing that, just chop up your spring onion and your mushrooms. First of all, we're gonna add our spring onions and our paprika and then stir that in, and we're using a sweet smoked paprika which just turns everything red and it smells so good and rich and incredible. Then we're gonna add our mushrooms, make sure those are completely coated in that incredibly flavoursome mix. While those cook for a couple of minutes, just drain your beans. We're gonna use kidney beans and black beans, and then add those in and stir it all together, and all those flavours are gonna be coming out now. And then to let it simmer, we're just gonna add our tinned tomatoes, maple lime juice, salt and pepper, and some fresh coriander. And then you're gonna let that simmer for kind of 20 minutes or so. Just give it a stir every now and again. So as everything kind of comes to the end of cooking, we're gonna drain our potatoes and we're gonna add a little bit of salt and a splash of either oat milk or almond milk. And again, just mash them. I can't actually find my masher today, so I am using a fork, but you do want them to be soft enough to mash with a fork, so they go really, really nice and smooth. And then we're gonna assemble. So that takes 1 second. All you do is just pour all the nice beany, mushroomy mix from the pan into the bottom, just spread it out so that it's even. And then on top of that, we're gonna just spread that creamy sweet potato. And then I just use a fork to score it, which helps it look a little bit more beautiful because it's not the most beautiful dish around. And then we're gonna cook it for kind of 20 to 25 minutes until it starts to go ever so golden and crispy on the top. Okay, I've just been checking it every 2 minutes and it's finally ready. Look at that beauty. Ideal winter dish sorted here. This is a recipe that originally comes from the Delicious Yellow app and was really popular, and it's actually now part of our frozen range as well, which are our all natural plant-based ready meals, which you can find in Ocado and Whole Foods if you don't have time to make this all the time. Otherwise, definitely try it. Let me know what you think. It obviously freezes really well, so if you're trying to do any batch cooking or anything this winter, this is a good one for you.